Hey Scootopians, OhManDan here. Welcome to Scootopia. Man, am I excited to bring you this first impression of Mini Motors' newest iteration of the Dualtron Thunder. This thing is fire. Now, I'm not gonna cap now, but the original Thunder is no slouch. It is nothing to walk over. That scooter is still admired and chosen by many PEV enthusiasts out there who have had the choice to choose the Thunder 2 or the original Thunder. Then I would say, based only on price, they would choose the original Thunder. This Thunder 2 has so many new features. Let me share some of these improvements with you, if I may. Handlebars, of course, are only 24 inches wide, so wham for me, I don't like that. I do like the fact that they fold down for portability, okay? They improve the Mini Motors eye display. The new Mini Motors multi-switch that's backlit. It controls the lights. It has eco button, hazards, a horn, left and right turn signals. Probably the only real gripe I have with this scooter, like right now off the bat, is the fact that it does not have front turn signals. So let's name some of the improvements on this thing. Well, before I get to the improvements, let me just go through some things that I think are the same. Like I said, this handlebar is the same. The grips are the same. The fenders are the same. Fenders the same. Same size tires, but different kind of tires. And I'll talk about that later in the differences. Has the 160 millimeter dual hydraulic brakes, and that is the nut brake system. Those are the same. All right. And the control arms and the swing arms are the same. The suspension is cartridges. They say they're improved. We'll see, just how well it rides when I take it out and ride it. But the cartridges are the same. Now, let's talk about the differences. Okay, the differences in this scooter and the original Thunder is that it has the 11 by 4 inch tubeless pneumatic tires. I call them never flats. And it's a game changer in the PEV industry, mainly electric scooters, because flat tires are a nuisance to riders. All right. You probably say wobbles is number 1 and flat tires is number 2. All right. So we have the never flat tires. All right. This one has the heat sink. It has brighter deck lights in the front, though it doesn't have front turn signals, which I don't like. The motors are bigger, 2,700 watts of power, front and back, for 5,400 watts of nominal power. You will peak at about 8,400 watts of power. And it has the new double click, where you get about 1,680 extra watts of power. It's equivalent to 60 volt boost when you double click, and it'll take you to about 10,800 watts of peak power. So that's where that 10,800 comes in. All right. You also have the main power switch, which is located right here. That was not on the first Thunder. The main power switch, if this is not turned on, the scooter cannot be turned on up here. All right. So with that turned on, now you can turn on your scooter. If you turn this switch off, the scooter itself is not powered. All right. You also have a 72 volt, 40 amp LG M50 21700 battery pack. I believe that the controllers in this unit is around 50 to 70 amps of power, just based on what I felt in the performance when I rode it already. You have an aluminum footrest, which is beautiful. The design is beautiful, but in terms of practicality and use, it's, you know, a wonder. And then the top footrest, the top part, the flat part, can only really be used as a handle to carry or pick up or lift a scooter, which, you know, I recommend if you're going to lift this scooter, lift it from the bottom part here and here, you know. Now, the handlebar does fold into itself, so it comes equipped with a horn, and it's a pretty impressive horn. All right, pretty impressive horn. The deck is 12.5 inches wide, but you only get 22 inches of actual deck usage. All right, it's 8 inches from the ground, and of course, if you count the full length of the deck, is 23.5 inches. The footrest can compensate if you use the footrest to put your other foot and give you more deck terrain. All right, it does come with a very bright brake light. Then you have the, you know, it flashes. Dualtrons are notorious for flashing when you brake, so it has the flashers, but only in the back. Only in the back. It has left and right turn signals, but only in the back. Only in the back. You know, which a lot of people have a hard time seeing turn signals when they're down low like that. You need front, left and right, front facing left and right turn signals up about here on the steering pole, okay? On this scooter, it's stated 62 miles per hour. It's stated 106 miles of range. It's a 104-pound scooter, so, you know, it is a little heavy. I mean, the scooter is, it's a beautiful scooter. One thing that Dualtron is known for is the quality of their builds. So it's a quality scooter. The structure, the components, everything is quality. Of course, you have the RGB lighting. You have it here in the neck. You have it here in the steering pole. You have it on the swing arm here. You have it on the side of the deck and on the control arm in the back. All right. It is really, really impressive. All right. So let's take this thing out for a ride. Let's get some footage out there in the wild and see how this scooter performs. All right. Let's go. Oh my God. The Dualtron Thunder 2. It's amazing. It's got power, torque, the comfort of the suspension is amazing. You know, A lot of people don't like Dualtron shorter bars, but the short don't bother me because I got those long arms. But man, this scooter, I can't wait to see what the Storm is going to do, the Limited. Yeah, this is the one, guys. This is the one in 2021. This Dualtron Thunder 2, man, is, you can feel the power. All right, and I hit it, man, just a little. The wheels left the ground, so it's powerful. All right, so this is my first impressions of the Dualtron Thunder 2. An amazing machine. It rides very, very well. Stay tuned. There's a lot more to come. All right, this is OhManDan saying make sure you subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos, and make sure you leave a comment down below so we can see what your opinion is about this Dualtron Thunder 2. So OhManDan, I'm out.
About to meet the man, OhManDan. Was about the mud, help mankind. Start a scooter club, I know you're fine, cause you're just like that. You bend over backwards to help a man. You strap up, you boot up, you throw on your colors. Get ready to hang, riding with the fellas. Yeah, on that blower.